Damn it, there's a car. Come on, we'll go anyway. No, panicking, 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 panicking. Don't panic, Jamie. Car's pulling in, so we might be able to go here in a wee second once this car goes past or whatever that thing's doing up there. I don't know. Right, as long as nothing comes, we'll be alright. I hear he's coming. Is he coming? He's just turning. Let's go. Tell you what, that 0 degrees hinge pin makes a massive difference. It just makes the car loose, so loose. That's crazy how loose that makes that car. That's me. You know what? 0 degrees hinge pin's coming out again. That is awful to drive. That's absolutely awful to drive. Awful. Oh, so much for the camera as well. That motor is boiling. That motor is absolutely boiling. Oh god, what's that Fahrenheit? 200. Right, that's not good for it. That is not good for it. Let's get that cooled down. And the ESC's on as well. ESC's boiling. My god. That Fahrenheit? No. ESC. That was a bit silly, Jamie. Let's get these all unplugged. I don't even know what speed that was. I don't really care, to be truthful. Let's see. Stop. Read. 147. Right. Okay. And let me just say, look, the road isn't wet. It's not wet. It's not wet at all. So it's not. There's nothing on it. Absolutely nothing.